What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you can't tell, I am here in Florida at the Miami shop, and there's a bunch of cool cars here, but there's about to be an even cooler one coming really soon because we're about to head out to a subscriber's house and pick up his brand new C8 Corvette Z06. Yes, I'm going to be driving a subscriber's Z06 for the next couple days, and you guys are coming along. Let's jump into it. But before we go anywhere, guys, let's admire the lineup of cars today at the shop. We got a brand new 2023 GT4, of course, very similar to Josh, has the pretty much its brother here. This one is a different shade of blue. So Josh's is Miami blue, and I don't remember the name of this. We'll get that in 1 second. And here's Nate. He's the general manager of the Blackout Tinting Miami shop, and he knows the color of the Porsche. What is it?
Shark blue.
Shark blue. Fantastic. But right beside it, we also got a brand new 2023 C8 Corvette. Really well optioned. Really cool spec on this one because it's got the two-tone Kalahari interior. It is a convertible with yellow calipers, obviously on the exterior, Z51 package. And it came from Bomden Chevrolet. So you know this guy knows his stuff. That dealership seems to be doing really well right now. But yeah, guys, we just got awesome car after awesome car showing up at the shop today. Just Porsches everywhere, Corvettes everywhere. We're about to see some more Corvettes here real soon. And then, of course, Josh's awesome Hellcat, all covered in Expel and ceramic coating, PPF, everything Expel on that car. Yeah, it's really awesome. But anyway, guys, we're going to jump in the only car that isn't PPF'd, which is that BMW right there. And we're going to head out and go pick up a Z06. Let's do it. All right, guys, so I suppose I can't mention the cool cars outside without talking about at least the cool truck on the inside. You guys know I love the Ram TRX. This one is getting stealth wrapped here at the Miami shop. And of course, we got the Mercedes AMG getting some Expel as well. But these things in stealth, yeah, I like it.
5 minutes later.
We want to unwrap the beautiful thing first. Look at that. Amplify orange, guys. Yeah, that's looking good. Fully Expel paint protected from the shop here in Miami. Nate's doing the privileges, but we're gonna get a cold start of this for Mike because he is the subscriber that's allowing us to drive around his baby for the next couple days. And as soon as that covers off, we're gonna cold start this baby. If you haven't heard one of these before, you're probably gonna want to cover your ears because it's gonna be pretty loud. Good, right? I love whenever I'm making a video and I can barely hear myself speak because the exhaust is so loud. That's good. She's quieted down now, but yeah, good stuff. All right, guys, here we are. This is, of course, a 3LZ interior with the stealth package, the level 2 carbon. Look at that, with the two-tone Kalahari interior. That's actually really cool. I'm liking it. On the Sebring orange exterior, very cool. Either way, guys, we're in a Z06 again. We're gonna back this baby out. I know I keep using that word baby. Please bear with me. I'm just excited. The Z06s are just an absolutely phenomenal car. And every time I get into one, I am a little bit more excited than the previous time. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff with this, hopefully. What I would like to do is put on a little bit of an impromptu car show here in Florida. Anyway, ooh, gotta love that. Oh God, I can't wait to get one of these cars. I need to get my hands on one of these like now. But anyway, I'll catch up with you guys in a second. And here we are. Gotta put it in sport mode. He does have 714 miles on it, so he has passed the break-in. But the sport mode just sounds phenomenal. My God, I love this car. And this is still the stock exhaust. This is probably one of the only cars that I have ever heard a stock exhaust sound this good on. Oh my God, I am always, every time I drive one of these cars, I need it. I need this. not even driving that fast, and this car just sounds like you're going 100 miles an hour. Give you a little bit of a wider field of view here, guys. Yeah, my Lord, do I love this car. Let's downshift it. One more time. Oh yeah, the interior. Man, I am so freaking impressed with the drivability of this car. It sounds exactly like a supercar. It looks like a supercar. The interior quality is supercar quality. Yeah. Wish me luck, guys. I think maybe one of my allocation wishes might be coming true this month. Wish me luck. All right, guys, so Mike was kind enough to let us use his Z06. We're going to be kind enough to go ahead and install his ProClip. So you guys heard me mention that earlier, and as you guys know, ProClip is a big sponsor of the channel. So yeah, let's go ahead and demonstrate how to install it and how you can get one of these for 10% off. Of course, you're going to want to use the HPO10 code, which will be in the description down below, but I'm also going to show you firsthand how to install it on your C8 Corvette Z06. Now, the first step is to go ahead and remove the film here. So the film off of the infotainment system, which means now the car is officially broken in. Then we'll go ahead and open up the arm of the C8 Corvette ProClip. Now, this is the same kit, whether you have the C8 Z06 or just the C8 Stingray or the upcoming C8 Corvette E-Ray. The kit is exactly the same. Ultimately, what it consists of is just this arm, and that's it. So this arm will actually go behind the screen, get put in back here and clipped in the front, and I'll show you a little bit better in a second how that's going to look. So with the ProClip in place here, like I showed in the beginning, even though it was a little bit blurry, all it is just clipped onto the far side here, and then this just wraps around the front of the screen and places right here with a little rubber pad behind it so it's not scratching the screen. So the next step is to put your phone specific mount on this, which is right here, and we'll just go ahead and unscrew the base from it first. With that unscrewed, pop it off. This is ultimately the part that needs to be screwed to the base of the C8 arm here. So here you can see I got two of the screws started. We'll just go ahead and get all the screws in place, and then we can go get the actual mount screwed back onto the ball socket here. So with everything installed here, this is what it looks like. We'll go ahead and, like I said, get the ball socket screwed back onto here. But just to give you a little bit closer idea and a better look at that arm in the back, it goes right behind the plastic trim there and kind of uses tension along the back side there to then allow this to sit as strongly as it does on there. Like I said, the last step is to go ahead and just place the mount onto the ball socket and start screwing it down. And the tighter you screw this down, the stiffer the ball mount will be to move. So if you want it to be very secure, you're gonna wanna go kind of tight with this. And just like that, he can now put his phone in there and slide the wings in or out for a more universal fit. So there you go, Mike. Thanks for letting me use the car. I got your ProClip installed. We're gonna also do a couple other special things for him since he was kind enough to let us use the car, but just one more look at that arm there and how it installs around that plastic trim and uses tension against the back of the unit to hold everything in place really nicely. Check out that view though, guys. I know I haven't really properly gone over exactly what's included in this build, but obviously you see the C8 Jake, you see the stealth badge option, and he managed to get the front visible carbon fiber splitter. Now this is obviously not a Z07 car, but it is a convertible. It does have the front carbon fiber splitter, like I said. It does have the gloss painted black forged aluminum wheels with the edge orange brake calipers and carbon ceramic rotors, the visible carbon fiber side skirts. And coming back here, we do have the Z06 dovetail wing in carbon flash with the C8 Jake hash stripes on the back, black exhaust tips. Of course, you guys saw the interior a little bit ago. That is a 3LZ interior, Kalahari black mixture, and loads of carbon fiber. Now, like I said, this is my subscriber. His name is Mike. He was kind enough to let us take the car, and it's a really good spec. So obviously the top of the convertible is also all carbon flash painted, the nacelles and everything. And here's our interior again with the carbon fiber, the stealth package on the speakers, the dash, and then of course that carbon fiber steering wheel still has the package wrapping on the Z06 portion on the bottom. I love it. We got the 70th anniversary speaker cover there, that level 2 carbon looking amazing. All right guys, we're back here at the shop. As you can see, we picked up the Z06 back there. That is Mike. That is my subscriber named Mike. He was kind enough to let us use this Z06 for the next couple days, film some stuff, maybe even have an impromptu car show. But either way, we got a Z06 and we're gonna be doing some car show stuff. We're gonna be doing some driving footage. So you guys are definitely gonna wanna stay tuned and see what's coming next.